Some breaking news out of Jamestown, North Dakota on this Friday evening. This happened at about 6:45 p.m. This is on Highway 20, right across from the airport. Our camera person in Jamestown says it appears it may be a cement truck. No details yet, and whether or not the driver was injured, but it looked like it had skidded and maybe rolled. The cab of the truck is really smashed up there, as you can see. Yeah, it does look like a cement truck on this side. We should get more details with a crash report from the Highway Patrol. We'll have that for you when we get it. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.